have Rongrong's monthly kit for July to share with you, explain subscription details, and do a plan with me. Welcome back. I'm Tina from It's a Wonderful Plan. For July, we have Island Daydreams taking us to Hawaii or the islands of our dreams. Each kit comes with 3 pieces, a pen, a PET tape, and a 19-page premium sticker kit featuring Rongrong's hand-illustrated girls, all packaged here. As a member of Rongrong's design team and an affiliate, I was sent this to share with you. Let's look through the 19-page kit first. We're going to start off with 5 functional pages in the kit. So we have some functional boxes in here, some full box illustrations, there's some dots in here, and then of course we've got some patterns to work with as well. I love this aesthetic. Paradise Found. This is so pretty. I really, really want to go to Hawaii. I would love to know if any of you have already been there or if you're planning to go there. Let me know. Drop that down below in the comments. This page right here features all kinds of headers, today, work, goals, to do, personal, appointment. There's some blank boxes and some bullet points there. We've got a page of days of the week. There's 5 sets here and there's 2 sets of numbers. And of course we have some bullet points and some little tiny illustrations at the bottom there to fill in the space of those really pretty tropical flowers. I really like that. Here's a page of alphabet stickers. There are 3 sets on here in 3 different colors. And then we have this Kiss Cut sticker on the side here of these beautiful tropical florals. Now we're moving into our clear decorative pages, and there are 4 of these. So we've got all of these beautiful hand illustrated girls from Rongrong. There's some elements in here. Aloha. Love that. Ah, look at this cute stamp. Here she is sitting there with that beautiful flower in her hair. We've got a little tiki bar here, some drinks, some Polaroids. Very, very pretty. Some tropical florals, high vibes and high tides. We've got our pink suitcase and we've got our waves in here. Island State of Mind, Paradise Found, Aloha. Cute. Love it. And we've got a lot of different girls in here. These next 2 pages are washi pages. So this is made out of washi paper. So they are all individually cut. And we have these patterns on here. This is really cute. Good vibes and high tides. And then we have this one here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strips on this one here, giving us some extra patterns to work with. Now we are looking at the vellum pages. There are 4 vellum papers here. I'm going to put this as a backdrop so that way you could see this nice and clearly, because of course the vellum is translucent. So you would be able to like layer this over something if you chose to, or you could use these the same way you would just use journaling papers. I love these tropical florals. So pretty. And here we have this collage, this beautiful ocean view, and then some tropical foliage. Okay, now we have the 4 journaling papers. They are single-sided, so you don't have to choose what side you want to use. Some underwater view, and this is so pretty. I love that collage. All right, and then here's the pen for this month. It is like an avocado green, I feel like. It's really pretty. It has this like little detailing here, and it is a soft touch, so it feels really, really soft. It is a click pen. It is black ink. It's a gel pen, and I am not ready to use this, so I'm just going to leave that little like protective nub on there for right now. All right, the next thing we're going to look at is the PET tape. I love the PET tape. It's super pigmented and it is all Kiss Cut, which makes it so easy for us to use. So let's take a look at all of the beautiful items on here. We are going to see a lot of the things that we saw in the sticker pack, but like different sizes and just more of. And this is a really long strip here before it starts to repeat. There's going to be 3 strips. So everything that I'm showing you here, you're going to see it 3 times total. But we have not come to where it starts to repeat yet. So this is a really long strip. And I think we are here. Yeah, because this is the stamp right here. That's where we started. Now, the kit is made specifically to fit into an A5 journal. However, I have started using these kits in my B5 journal, which is actually larger. So I'm going to just kind of continue doing that moving forward. For now, I might switch to an A5, but we'll see what happens. The one thing about these kits is that there's so much in here. So for me, I always feel like I have this kind of like a creative block trying to figure out exactly what I want to use first and how I want to put things together, because my mind just kind of comes up with all these different ideas. But of course, I can't put it all into one spread. Mainly what I'm going to be using today are these two vellum papers. And I really just use vellum, just like regular journaling paper. I will put adhesive on the back and I will like place them down. And because the pages that I'm placing them down on to are white, then like the colors really do show, and you can't really even tell that it's a vellum paper. With any paper, you can tear it and use it that way. I kind of like that way of using the papers because it really just makes it a lot easier. You don't have to like fussy cut anything out. And I really like this beautiful collage imagery that's going on here on the right side. And I want to adhere it to my page over here. However, I do need to fill like the top and the bottom, or maybe just the top. If I bring this like down to the bottom corner, then I need to fill the top. And I'm trying to figure out how I want to do that using this like tropical florals, because I already have the tropical florals on this collage page. So I'm thinking that I could bring this paper in here and just kind of have it fill in the top. Either that, or I could always try to bring in some florals at the top as well. So there's a few different ways that I could do this. I'm not quite sure how this is going to work out just yet, but I'm thinking that I could bring the stripe over on this side. I think I'm going to like change up the way that I tore that though. Let's see. I want to kind of cut this or tear it just so I have like more of like a corner piece like that. Maybe I'll bring the stripe over here. Oh, that might be kind of a fun way to fill this in. So I think what I'm going to do is instead of this having such a straight edge here, going to kind of give it a little bit more of a pattern. So that way when I add in the stripes, it's going to kind of just like blend nicely. And what I would like to create is my July kind of like cover page moving into the pages that I will create for my July journaling. So if you want to see how I create my July journaling pages, be sure to be subscribed, hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss that or any of my other videos. Laying a pattern underneath your page to see where the edge is something that I've been starting to do because sometimes it's hard for me to determine the edge of the page. I like this adhesive. If you like get it on a spot that you don't want it, you just kind of rub it off. It almost works like an eraser, just kind of erases right off of the paper. I was like not sure how I wanted to use vellum, but I discovered that it's really not any different than any journaling paper, especially when you're laying it down onto like a white notebook. All right, so this one has like a lot of these big bold prints on here. And one of the ways that I like to use these pages is to cut out the patterns that are in here. Now I have all of the pieces cut out and now I can kind of like arrange them however I want to onto the page. Once I figure out my placement, then I'll add my adhesive and I'll go ahead and make sure that I adhere everything down. And I can always cut things, to pretty much like sculpt them the way that I want them to be on the page. So that's kind of like a fun thing. It's really just like putting puzzles together of these beautiful images. And I really like doing puzzles. So I think that that's where this kind of comes in to play for myself. Just remember, whenever you are being creative, crafty, it's just a personal expression. So, however you want to express yourself, that's the right way. There's no right or wrong way when you are creating art. And I consider this art, and this is like what I enjoy doing. If you want things to look a certain way, then you want to go ahead and express yourself in the way that you feel most comfortable. So if something like this is a little bit too involved for you, then make it your own, right? It doesn't have to be so precise. That's just kind of like what I like, and I enjoy it. It doesn't stress me out. Being creative, being crafty should not be something that's going to stress you out. You want to have fun with your items, but don't let them like control you. You want to make sure that you're always having fun. That's the main purpose of like these kits, really, is to have fun, get creative, and just share your own individuality. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know, what do you think of the kit, of the design of this. We are starting to work on next year's subscriptions, and we are looking for ideas, things that you think that would be better than what we already have, or just any ideas that you have. Every month's kit is a seasonal kit. It is not a holiday kit, so you don't have to worry about that. You're not going to be receiving any Halloween in October or any Christmas in December. Everything is just very seasonally based, and that way it allows anybody to be able to use the kit. All right, so I want to put in here July, and I'm going to use the alphabet collection sticker book to do that. I know that there's alphabet stickers in the kit itself, but I kind of like this size. It's a little bit larger. Let's talk about the subscription details. There is a 3-month subscription option or a 6-month option. The subscriptions do include international shipping, and I will drop the prices for that down below in the description so that way you can see all of the details written out there. This kit for July was released on June 15th. Anytime between June 15th and July 15th, and this would be the first kit that you would receive. And then on the 15th of July, you would receive a shipping notification that the August subscription has been shipped out for you. So you don't need to do anything. Once that subscription has expired, whether it's 3 months or 6 months, it does automatically renew. Then you can make your changes at that point. Now, if you are interested in picking up the kit individually, it does become available on July 1st. That kit sells for $42. That does not include shipping. So you would be paying shipping additional to that. Now, if you sign up for the 3-month subscription, it's $130. If you sign up for the 6-month subscription, it's $220. So you are getting a really big savings when you sign up for the subscriptions. I do have my affiliate link down below for you to sign up for the subscriptions. Also find a discount code down there. The discount code cannot be used for subscriptions, but if you want to choose to purchase like an individual kit, you can do that, and you can apply the discount code to the individual kit. However, you are still paying for the shipping. Long story short, you definitely get more for your money by signing up for the subscription, but of course you want to do what's going to work best for your budget. I hope you had fun here with me today. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button and remember to be subscribed and hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of the videos that I post. So just to recap on what you get in the kit, you get the 19 pages. That's like the bulk of the kit there. Then you get the 3.0 PET tape roll, which repeats 3 times on there. And then you do get a pen every month. So that's what we have for the subscription kits for this year. I don't know if it's going to change for next year. Let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see something change moving into next year's kits. We love all of the feedback. We really look at that, and we appreciate getting the feedback for you because of course we're making these for you, right? Rongrong wants you to be happy, so she is always looking for your feedback. If you watch this video all the way through till the end, leave me a palm tree emoji. Thanks so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.